Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome to All Auto Parts Group channel. I'm here today to talk about a game changer for your Buick used transmissions. Why shell out a fortune on a new one when you can get a high-quality used transmission that not only saves you money but also keeps your ride running smoothly? Let's dive into why choosing a used Buick transmission from All Auto Parts Group is not just a good choice but a great one. First off, let's talk cash. We all like to save where we can, right? Opting for a used transmission can cut costs significantly compared to buying new. But don't think for a second that used means second rate. At All Auto Parts Group, every transmission we handle undergoes a detailed inspection and testing phase to meet or even exceed OEM standards. That means you get premium performance without the premium price tag. And hey, it's not just good for your wallet, it's great for our planet too. Choosing used is a solid step towards sustainability. By reusing transmissions, we reduce waste and conserve resources, making a positive impact on the environment. It's a win-win. You save some green and help keep the earth green too. Now you might wonder, why choose All Auto Parts Group? Well, it's simple. We aren't just sellers, we're experts with years of experience under our belts. We know Buicks inside and out, ensuring the transmission you get is perfect for your car. Plus, we back our parts with a comprehensive warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Got a particular model? No problem. Our inventory spans a wide range of Buick models and years, ensuring we've got just the thing for your vehicle. Just hop onto our user-friendly website, find what fits, and we'll handle the rest. From a rigorous inspection to quick, secure delivery right to your doorstep. And don't just take my word for it. Hear it from our customers like John M., who says, "I was hesitant about buying a used transmission, but All Auto Parts Group exceeded my expectations. The transmission for my Buick LaCrosse runs smoothly, and the customer service was fantastic." So there you have it. Quality, savings, sustainability, expertise, and top-notch service. That's what you get when you choose a used Buick transmission from All Auto Parts Group. Check out our website, elucidautoparts.world, or give us a call at +1 865 505 0345, and let's get your Buick running like new without breaking the bank. Catch you on the road. Do like and subscribe All Auto Parts Group channel for more updates on your car needs.